This 5-minute solution will show you how to hide Instagram post from someone. So if you want to hide a specific post from a specific users, then follow these simple steps. First of all, I want to tell you that Instagram doesn't provide any special feature to hide your post from someone. So all you have to need just block the specific user to hide your post from. So search for the user and open the profile and tap on this three dot at the top right, tap on block, and all you have to need just block the specific profile or user you want to hide your post from. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.